All right, so the time has come to unbox the iPhone 13 mini. Now, I can tell you I'm definitely excited to check this phone out. You could also see I picked it up in blue. Now, the color options for this phone are Starlight, Midnight, Blue, Pink, and Red. And hopefully, blue looks as good as it does in the stock photos. Now, as far as the box design goes, it looks exactly the same as the iPhone 12 series. Just wanted to point that out. And now let's get the wrapping off this box so we can take a look at this 13 mini. All right, so we got sticker 1 here. Peeled off. Let's go to sticker 2. Peeled off. All right, here we go, guys. Get ready for it. All right, boom. Okay, I got to say this phone looks pretty fresh. And let's see what it comes with. I'm thinking probably the USB cable and a manual. Kind of miss the days of getting those free headphones, but those are long gone. All right, yeah, I'm definitely happy with the color option here in blue for sure. All right, I'm going to put the box to the side. Now, I actually wanted to grab my 12 mini so we could do a quick comparison. Just want to see what the difference is, honestly. Okay, and it looks like the only difference I can see is the camera design is slightly different. But other than that, the Apple logo is in the middle. The size of these phones is, I think, identical. I'm actually going to stack them on top of each other to see that. And yeah, I mean, looks exactly the same size for sure. Okay, I'm going to just put that to the side, but I was just kind of curious. Now, price-wise, the 13 mini is going to be $699, and then you could get the 12 mini for $599, so there's going to be a $100 difference. All right, let's power this baby up. Okay, so to save time, I skipped through this startup screen, and the first thing we need to do is change this extremely ugly wallpaper. I mean, that was like the first thing I saw when I got this phone started. I was like, wow, we got to change this immediately. Okay, I think I'm going to go with maybe the blue one. The pink one actually looks pretty cool. Now, I am on dark mode on this iPhone, so it's going to be a little bit darker on these wallpapers, but, you know, I kind of just prefer dark mode. All right, I think we're going to go with that one and kind of keep it at that. But yeah, that other one was just extremely ugly. Okay, now while this phone was starting up, I managed to take a quick picture of my Galaxy Z Flip 3. So I wanted to pull that up so we could take a look at the picture quality. And I got to say, it looks good. Not a whole lot different from the 12 mini, but I'm going to compare the 12 mini versus the 13 mini on the camera in a future video. But yeah, for the most part, picture quality looks good. This was the second picture I took of my Z Flip 3. Okay, now I wanted to throw up a 1-minute clip so we could check out the video and sound quality. I'm going to play this Metroid Dread gameplay trailer. I'm excited for this game to come out, and yeah, I thought we could run it for like 1 minute, so let's check it out. So sound quality was good for sure, and I actually wanted to grab the 12 mini again to compare the screens on both phones. And yes, the notches and screens are exactly the same. And when you're looking at these phones front-facing forward, it's impossible to tell them apart. The only difference is I got that Superman wallpaper on the iPhone 12 mini. I think it looks pretty slick for sure. Okay, and the last thing I want to do is go over the performance on the iPhone 12 mini, playing some Jetpack Joyride. Had a chance to download this game, and it's actually one of my favorite Apple Arcade games at the moment because it's a classic. Now, the 13 mini also has the fastest A15 processor, making the fastest iPhone to date, but I will be comparing with some older iPhones just to see how it holds up. But yeah, let's check out some Jetpack Joyride. Okay, so as far as first impressions go, I wasn't super impressed with the iPhone 13 mini because it feels a lot like the iPhone 12 mini. I will say this, I am glad that Apple is going to keep the mini series going because they almost discontinued it due to poor sales. And yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing on the 13 mini. Obviously, stay tuned for more on this phone. Thanks for watching it, and we will see you in the next one.